We love our customers and work incredibly hard to make them happy, so when they love us back by giving us a glowing review online, we just have to share what they're saying. We work very hard to satisfy our customers, so when we receive a 5-star review like this one, it helps everyone know how hard we're trying to serve you and our local marketplace. We like to show the customer and the world that we appreciate what they say about us. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from new customers, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and knowledge and superior customer service can help you. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.